Hi, this is Rahman here. So I'm back with another video. So today we are going to see how to change the host name for the Linux distros, one of the Linux distros which I am using, Manjaro. So let me log into this. So open the terminal. So we are going to see how to rename the host name. So let's check the host name before we rename the machine name. So we can see by typing the command hostname, you can see the name of the hostname. So even you can able to see which hostname you have logged in. So this is a username which you have used to log in. Hostname ctl. So this command will be used to see the static home name and the VM, the machine ID, boot ID, and the virtualization environment I used. So that's a VMware, and here it shows the operating system. It's Manjaro Linux and the kernel version 5.15.32. So here shows the architecture. So let's change the host name. Host name ctl set hyphen host name, the name of the host name, ansible hyphen ansible. Let me give it ansible hyphen station. So this is a host name I am giving. So give enter. It will prompt for an password as for the root password. So let's check the host name now. So here you can see ansible hyphen station which we have renamed. So this will be taking effect only after the reboot. And one more thing we need to check and we need to change. Let me show you uh, cat command etc host. So here you can able to see it shows the old host name control hyphen station. This is needs to be changed. So let me use nano editor nano slash etc slash host. So save it, give yes, enter. So I have permission denied here due because I have used the okay, I have exited. So this is I cannot able to uh, I do not have the permission to rename the host name host file. So what I need to do, I need to use sudo to do this. It will ask for the password. Then so now you need to change the okay. Now once change, give yes, enter. So now it should be changed. To check this we can use cat guide. So here you can able to see ansible hyphen station. So the host name is changed now. Reboot. So let's check the host name now. Open the terminal. So here you can able to see ansible hyphen station. And one more file we need to check. Cat. So we are good now. So thanks for watching. If you do like my video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you so much.